Good afternoon, everybody. I am Steven with Break Free Homestead. Today, we are going to be hitting this nasty slush, ice, rain mix of snow using our Ariens Deluxe 30. This is going to be our third winter with this machine. I have had no issues with it. And if you haven't seen the video here, I'll link it up here. This is going to be where it destroys 24 inches of powder. Pretty good video. Make sure you go check that out. But, you know, you don't get 24 inches of snow every single time. So what we're doing right now, 1.5 inches of nasty stuff. I mean, it's way less than what this can handle, but we'll see how it handles it, how it spits it out, and if we can get it to where we want to put it. If you guys would, please drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button if you aren't already. It really helps the channel. I'll give you a second to do that. Okay, awesome. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Let's get into this. We're gonna do a cold start. We haven't started this thing in about 2 weeks, so let's see how many pulls it takes to start this up, and then we'll get blowing. Man, this is some real nasty snow. We wouldn't normally clean this up, but it's supposed to drop into freezing temperatures, and this will create an absolute mess. So it's part of snowblowing. It's not the pretty part of snowblowing, but it's getting it done. Let's see if we can knock the rest out. All right, guys, so that is not the whole thing. I'm gonna cut some paths for our animals and whatnot. This is some real nasty stuff. You could probably use a shovel. It's gonna be heavy, but there's just no way to clean all this up. But I think he did a fair job at it. I don't know if any snowblower, maybe like a micro snowblower or something would have helped this out, but this is some nasty snow. If you guys would, if you like this content, please drop down below, hit that like button. And if you aren't already subscribed, if you do that, I would appreciate it. Thank you guys.